Hi guys, it's Will here from the Farm 123 and welcome to a video which I don't usually do. Without further ado, we're going to get into it. Now, here I have a box. Shall we see what's inside the box? That's right guys, it is a brand new video camera for the channel. But this is my one for kind of small things and kind of just up the road, jobs for me if you like. So without further ado, let's have a little look then, shall we? So as you guys can see, this is it. It's a Sony video camera. It's a Sony hand cam. 9.2 HDR-CX405. So let's have a little look then, shall we? So we have a touchscreen here. So let's just open that up. Oh, if it'll actually open up. There we go, and it comes straight on, look at that. Boom. So, it looks like we have a lens cap here. So I think I have to open the lens cap. Yeah, the lens cap is there. Boom. There we go, right. Now we have it working. So it's got 60 times zoom. We have a touch screen. Sorry, no, it's actually not a touch screen, but it's a obviously a flip out screen. Now I'm just trying to get to grips of it as well. So we've got start stop on the back here. So let's have a little play with this then, shall we? There is a number of things. So this is the zoom here. Then you've got, if I turn it up that way, there's your micro SD card. You also have a little charging cable on the side here, which is quite useful. And now it's starting to rain.
There you have it then, that is the unboxing of my new video camera, which the following videos are going to be recorded with. It's replaced my DSLR, which I've been filming for over 2 years, but because there's an issue with the recording mode, I've replaced it. However, I will be using it for photos. You can view the unboxing of that in the top right of the video, and with that, stay safe, and I give you an outtake.